Okay, so tell me, why now? Feeling stressed, depressed, paralyzed by the uncertainty of what you're going to do with your life beyond adulting? Well, you are in the right place. I'm Dr. Lara Fielding, the voice behind the book where you found the QR code that linked you to this video. In the upcoming skills and digital practices, I'm going to be guiding you in how to solve the great mystery of you. Together, we're going to unlock your unique emotional habit patterns. You know, the things you do and ways you might be thinking that can get you stuck in anxiety or problems with mood or motivation. This book is about taking a deeper look inside yourself to learn what makes you tick, what do you care deeply about, and then practicing the skills we all need sometimes to be as effective as possible in managing the discomfort that comes up when you pursue what matters. But here's the super cool part. In order to make the skills in this book as helpful as possible for you, we had to get them up and off the page. We had to make them experiential. So throughout the book, you'll be finding a series of QR codes similar to the one that linked you to this video. Each skills clip video will walk you through the steps you need to start being more skillful with your emotions and get you moving towards the kind of adult you want to be. If you haven't gotten the book yet, make sure to click the link and join us in building a life you truly care about and the skills you need to go beyond adulting.